Hello, welcome YouTubers. This vlog is going to be a little bit about myself and how I found the van, what I'm going to be doing in the van, and anything else I can think of that you may want to know. Just an introduction about me and my life. My name's Steve. I'm 36 years old. I'm married to my wife, Kim, and we both live in Canada, BC. She's the same age as me, and we have two little fur babies, a Yorkie and a Chorkie. Let me see if I can get them here. Siggy, come here. Come here. Here's Siggy. She's a Chihuahua / Yorkie. She's super adorable and loving. Oh, yeah, Tiggy, give me kisses. Good kisses, good girl. Rolo, come here. Rolo, I have to trick because all he wants to do is play. He doesn't care about any of us. He just wants the ball. Rolo's a Yorkie. He's about 7 years old. And Siggy is about 6 years old. Hey, Rolo. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, Roro. Hey. We call him Roro half the time. Same as Siggy, we call her Tiggy. We named them Rolo and Siggy when we got them because we were into Vikings. So my wife, she's going to school right now to be an accountant. She'll be doing that for quite a while still. So as long as COVID's going on, we'll be, hopefully if her classes get canceled and go online, then she'll be coming with us in the van sometimes when she can. That would be fun because then she can bring the dogs and it can be all of us out there vlogging or whatever. She's still kind of shy about the camera thing right now, so I've been avoiding her, putting her in the videos. But as she gets more used to me doing this, maybe she won't care as much and she'll be on camera more. I'm hoping anyway. How did I hear about Vanlife, and how did I find out about it or get into it or ended up with a van myself? Well, my wife wanted to get a camper van a while back, and she was looking at like Westphalias, yeah, the older ones. More a type like you just go out and go camping with your family for a night or two. And I was like, yeah, go ahead, go for it. If you want to get one, get one. And I wasn't too thrilled about the idea. I was like, cool, just another vehicle we got to figure out where to put and insure. But it wasn't anything I was too interested at the time. But anyways, I saw the Sprinter vans and it got me thinking that would be really cool if I could get something set up for basically living on the road permanently. So I can go all year and travel around Canada with my job and have the exact same setup, all my stuff. I can set it up for vlogging, put my computer in there, have all my cooking stuff in there, and not move anything. And it's just a permanent, peaceful place that's always going to be the same no matter where I am. So that really piqued my interest. And then I started watching YouTube videos on van life and all the vloggers, all the channels. I've basically been watching them all, binging them all as they come out. And I've been looking at all the different layouts you can have, and I kind of had an idea over time what I wanted. So I started looking around for 3 to 6 months. I just kept looking and looking, and there's hardly anything. So I expanded my search from BC to Alberta, and soon I just started searching all of Canada. Once I was searching all of Canada, there still wasn't that many that came up. It would be maybe one every month or two that I would find something that I really liked, and then they would be snagged like that. They'd be gone. Yeah, I ended up finding one in Squamish that I really liked. The only thing was I didn't like that it was gas, but that ended up being scooped up out from under me really quickly. I ended up looking over and over again for like another month or two, and when I found the one I bought, it was in Ontario, and the guy who built it actually has never built vans before. He just did it as a random project. He had side companies, pressure washing, and all that kind of stuff. And he just randomly decided to build two camper vans. They're twins, so the exact same build. So he just copy pasted them. And he actually ended up liking them so much that he bought his own van from his company because it's him and a partner doing it. And then I bought the other one. It took a little while to get the money together and everything. By the time it was all said and done, I didn't get the van until mid-December last year, so I just got the van. So that whole idea really intrigued me, and I went with it. And now my wife and I have a Sprinter van. The guy who built it, his name is Jonathan. He is actually looking into building more because of how much people liked his builds. I think he's going to make a website, and like I said, he's probably going to build some more. So once he gets some stuff put up and information out there, I'll put it up on my videos as well in the description. So you can click on the website and go check it out and maybe get in contact with him if that's anything you're interested in, if you want to buy a van. Speaking of clicking on things, I'd really appreciate if you went down and clicked the subscribe button and the like button, of course, and the bell notification if you want to be notified when I put up my vlogs and videos. This is a new channel. I am just growing, so it would be very much appreciated and very exciting to me to watch those numbers grow. The views obviously are nice. I did not expect that many views on my van tour. I expected like 10, but this is something I plan on doing, a vlog type travel channel with the van. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from there and how well we do. And I'm really excited about it, and really excited to share everything with you guys and the journey I go on. A little bit about me and what I'll be doing on the road. I work for the railway. I've been working for the railway for about 9 years now. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going with work on these gangs, they're called. I work on the Thai gang, and I'll be traveling around Canada. Basically BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, and very rarely Ontario. This is all new to me, so we'll see what happens, the struggles we go through. Even now, I'll be leaving soon for the winter assignment I'll be going on, and that'll be for a month or two in Clearwater, BC, and it's really cold there, lots of snow, so we'll see how that goes. A little bit about the job I do, I guess, on the road. I run a piece of equipment called a tamper, a Mark IV tamper. You can look them up on YouTube if you want. It's basically a piece of what they call surfacing equipment. What the Thai gang does, what I'm on the Thai gang does, is they go through and they rip out all the old wood ties on the track that are rotten. The horizontal pieces of wood that the track sits on when you walk down the tracks, you can see those pieces of wood you're stepping on. They rip those out and they put new ones in, and it just moves the track all over the place, makes it ugly. So if a train went over that really fast, they would just shoot off the track and derail and cause problems. So the machine that I run goes along and it graphs all of these problems, and then what it does is I go back and it lifts, tilts, and lines the track back to where it's supposed to be, squeezes the rock underneath it so it holds it there, and then lets it go. The track just sits nice, and then it's nice and smooth again, all perfect. The curves are nice and perfectly curved, and then the trains can go across it without any problems. So yeah, that's what I do in a nutshell, really simplified. On average, 70 people, 50 to 90 people, I'd say, in the range on the gangs. So we travel around in big groups, and everybody goes out on a bus together to the job site and all the work trucks. And yeah, there's a big, long entourage of maybe 30 machines. I'm sure maybe if you've been around tracks, you've seen big, long crews with a whole bunch of machines in a row in the summertime. And that's basically what we do. We can't do anything while the ground's frozen though. So in the winter, that's usually when I take vacation, enjoy time with my family, as well as I go to these things called winter assignments, which I'm about to go to. Anyways, I hope that wasn't too dull, but that's a little bit about me, what I do for my job, and a little bit about my wife there and our dogs. Hopefully my wife can join us more on the road this year. If COVID keeps going on, courses will be canceled in the school, so it'll be all online, and then she'll be able to join us. So that'd be really cool, and then she could bring the dogs too, which will be fun. Hopefully one day our channel will be doing good enough if you guys stick around and enjoy this. Maybe our channel will grow to the point where we can quit the job and travel to all the places we want, just like all the other vloggers. Make it more of a where do you guys want to go and where do I want to go, and just have adventures. But for now, it's basically going to be a day in the life of me on the railroad, follow me around Canada while I work. And yeah, you guys can just tune in and enjoy, and hopefully you like it. Anyways, I'm going to keep it short. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, like I said before, like, comment, subscribe. I got a comment down below on my last video for a name suggestion, and I really liked it. Camellia, because I like tea, so I guess it's to do with green tea leaves. I actually kind of like that when I heard it, so maybe we'll name the van that. If you guys have any other suggestions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And for now, have a great day. Enjoy all your other van life videos, and we'll see you next time.